Did you know that when you settle your civil lawsuit here in New York, the defense has 3 weeks in which to make payment after you get them all the closing papers? Did you know that? But why is it that some insurance companies ask for additional time in order to get you your money? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. In New York, when a case is settled, it might be an accident case or a medical malpractice case or even a wrongful death case. In that instance, the defense has 21 days, 3 weeks, in which to make payment to get you your money after you get them all of the appropriate closing documents. Now, there are some instances where the defense attorney will come back and say, listen, the insurance company needs additional time in which to make payment. What do you do in that case? Do you agree? Do you say yes? Well, how much time do you need? Well, some of them may say I need 60 days. Some of them may say I need 75 days. I may need 90 days. Now, first of all, why would an insurance company do that when the law clearly says they have only 3 weeks to make payment? Well, I'll tell you one reason that might happen. It's because the insurance company may keep their money overseas, offshore. And in order to get their money, their response is, listen, we need time to get our assets from offshore and then transfer it back here into the United States. Now, what happens if you turn around and say, no, I will not give you additional time? Well, then the defense may turn around and say, listen, then we can't settle this case. And then you have to make a decision together with your client as to whether or not to go ahead and allow them to have some additional time to get you the settlement monies that you have agreed upon in order to go ahead and continue the settlement. Otherwise, they're going to turn around and say, listen, because you're not giving us additional time to get you the money, we can't settle this case. And now we'll have to go to trial and deal with a verdict. And that's one option for you. So there are some instances where the defense says, listen, we will make every effort to try and get you that money within those 3 weeks. The reality is we may not get it to you on time, and we don't want you to go ahead and enter a judgment if we are late. And only if you agree to it will we then agree to a settlement. Are there instances where a client will turn around and say, no, I'm not giving them additional time? Sometimes. So why do I share this information with you? I share it with you because there are people who turn around and after 3 weeks they say, where's my damn money? I settled this case, you told me 3 weeks, and now the money's not here. Well, as long as there's been an agreement to go ahead and allow them additional time, a specific limited amount of time, to go ahead and process that paperwork and process that payment, well, then you've got to wait. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit, and now you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is, you know what I'm going to say, right? Pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.